Hi, I'm Rainey with Finance Strategists. In this lesson, we're going to cover
the interest coverage ratio, or ICR, is a financial ratio that is used to determine how well a company can pay the interest on its outstanding debts. The ICR is commonly used by lenders, creditors, and investors to determine the riskiness of lending capital to a company. The interest coverage ratio is also called the times interest earned ratio. The interest coverage ratio formula is calculated as follows. ICR equals earnings before interest and taxes divided by interest expense, where earnings before interest and taxes is the company's operating profit, and interest expense represents the interest payable on any borrowings such as bonds, loans, lines of credit, etc. How to interpret ICR. A declining interest coverage ratio is an indication that a company may be unable to meet its debt obligations in the future. The lower interest coverage ratio, the greater the company's debt and possibility of bankruptcy. Intuitively, a lower ratio indicates that less operating profits are available to meet interest payments, and that the company is more vulnerable to volatile interest rates. Therefore, a higher interest coverage ratio indicates stronger financial health because the company is more capable of meeting interest obligations. However, too high of a ratio may also indicate that a company is overlooking opportunities to magnify their earnings through leverage. What is a good ICR? As a rule of thumb, an ICR above 2 would be barely acceptable for companies with consistent revenues and cash flows. In some cases, analysts would like to see an ICR above 3. An ICR lower than 1 implies poor financial health, as it shows that the company cannot pay off its short-term interest obligations. Along with ICR, analysts should look at other relevant financial metrics before making an informed investment decision. Let's hear from you. What happens when a company's interest expense exceeds its operating profit? Leave a comment below.
For more information, visit www.financestrategists.com. Finance Strategists, strategies for your future.